Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a really useful website for actually getting free API credits to actually calling any AI model. So this website I recently find out it's called as SambaNova Cloud AI. If you simply type this on Google, the very first website which comes, so it's a safe, trusted website which gives you $5 credit once you sign up using a free account. So I have personally tried this. So once you land on this website, you simply need to create an account right here. And let me just start with a free account. So right here, this is SambaNova AI. If you see that, once you land on this website, this is actually the landing page, and directly it is telling you that it provides you with $5 credits whenever you sign up on this. So you click on start building. Once you click on that, you will actually see this is actually the website cloud.sambanova.ai/dashboard. So right here it has all the AI models. As you see that we have Meta, Llama 4, DeepSeek, Minimax, Google Llama model, GPT model as well. So now you can see this is actually the option login sign up. So once you sign up using your Google account, you have this option right here. You can continue with Google account and directly sign up on this website. And it actually gives you $5 credit once you successfully sign up. So this is a very rare website on the internet. So just sign up right here and complete your profile. So just select your country from here and click on save. So once you fill out your profile details are saved. So you will see that this is your profile, and you if you see your profile right here, you click on add credits. So once you actually sign up, you get $5 free credits. You can even add additional credits as well. You can actually set up a payment method to actually add more credits as well. So once you click the add payment method, you will be able to add a payment method as well. But I will only be using the free account right here. So if you simply see, you also get a playground section as well, where you can actually try out any kind of API. So you get this chat from here. You simply chat with any AI model. From here, you select your model. All the models are present. You select a model, simply try out a message, fill out a message, and you will see the actual AI model will respond to you. Hello, how can I help you today? It basically consume these much of tokens. As you see that you can simply say that build a image to PDF web app in browser. So you need to add some credits here. So it also shows you the code as well. If you see view code, you can make a post request on this. So I already consumed these credits, so that's why I'm getting this warning. But if you actually try with a brand new account, then you will not get this warning. And also if you see the pricing in the free plan, as you see, enjoy $5 in free credits, start exploring our models. So start exploring SambaNova Cloud with free API credits, no credit card required, and you actually get $5 in free API credits. No credit card is required. So I'm inside the free plan. So the API key is very easy to set up. You click on API key, and now to get your own API key, click on this button right here, create API key. So just give it a name. After that, click on create API key. So this will give you this API key. So you can copy this API key to clipboard. In this easy way, this is actually a website newly launched which gives you $5 credits, and from here you can see the usage, everything from here. And now to actually use it, you can actually use it with any VS Code extension as well. So The extension that I will recommend you is this extension Qwen, which I'm using it, which is a really good extension. You can use this, simply install this extension. So once it get installed, right here it will be activated. So from here you go to the settings section and just configure this. Select from your API provider, paste your API key from here and select your model. From here you simply select OpenAI compatible and simply paste your base URL and just paste the API key that you got. So it is very easy. So if you run out of credits, you can actually log in with a different Google account or different email account as well. So every time you log in and sign up, you get $5 in credits added inside your account. So this makes it easy for you to actually. From here you select, you click the create API key and simply copy this. And you also see the documentation. If you want to actually see the base URL, you click on documentation and right here it exactly tells you what you need to do to get started. So SambaNova API, as you can see that. So you can also directly install, it has shown you, you can download the library and then you can use the SambaNova API with OpenAI client libraries as well. And you will paste the base URL. So quick start, as you can see, they have shown you, they have their own SDK as well. You can directly install this SambaNova as a Node.js module, and this is a hello world example that they have shown you. So you can directly set up this, just paste your base URL and API key, everything. API reference, if you see, so it's a really good website, definitely check out this. You can see they have given different coding assistants. You can integrate with Qwen, Claude code, all the things are. So from here you actually see the step by step. From API provider you will actually paste, from here you select this API provider which directly comes SambaNova. So this has this provider right here. And right here you paste your API key. From here you select the API model. So exactly all these models are there. And after that you click on the done button. And right here you actually send out the message. So in this easy way, you can integrate very easily. I pasted that API key that I got. So now it actually gives you $5 credit. So it will, you can easily get started. So this will take just some time to set up if you are doing it for the very first time. So all these integrations are supported. The requested model is not available on SambaNova Cloud. For more information, I think you need to change with a different model. This model, let me see. So they have integration guides for all the popular AI providers, Claude Code, Blackbox AI, Continue, Cursor, Google Workspace. So it's a pretty popular website. As you can see, it has all the providers which are their Qwen code CLI as well. I don't know why it is showing this message. Previously that I worked, it was working perfectly, but you can try this on in your own end as well. I think sometimes it can give you error as well. You can just comment me if you're inside your end, if you're facing any kind of problem, then I can make another video and fix that error for you. But the process remains the same. You simply sign up, it gives you $5 credits inside your account, and then you can integrate with any other provider really easily. So now you can see that, guys, it is successfully now has requested accepted. So now it is accepted my request and it is telling me I need to create a comprehensive to-do list. So you can see that. So now I can simply type I want a build a image to PDF web app in browser. So I will say create all the code in index.html file. So I simply requested this AI now, and now the AI will start developing the application. So now you can see that now it is perfectly working. It is actually creating the files for us. You just need to click on save. So you can see the AI created the application for us. It will also run the application for us as well. So in this easy way, you can easily get started. As you can see, we got the free API key that we pasted, and it also, you can see it is starting my index.html file directly automatically. So this is SambaNova. You can see it actually created this application for us. It's just a basic application. You can also try it, make it complex app with all the styling. So we can even ask follow-up questions as well. If you don't like this, you can ask. So I really like this website because it provides you with free API credits. Definitely try this. You can now see it is modifying the application, making it complex, and also changing the UI as well. So click on save. So now it is actually starting the application. Just so guys, definitely check out this website, SambaNova AI.